Eating is a basic necessity as it introduces essential substances into the body. The composition, operation, and stamina of the human body and the way one feels greatly depend on one's diet. Eating 5 times a day is the most advantageous diet for the body. We have to consume the major part of our daily intake at lunch. The day-by-day regularity of meals is also important, while maintaining almost identical intervals between them. In a balanced diet, carbohydrates cover 50 to 60% of our energy needs. However, don't let sugar intake exceed 10% of the total energy. Also, fatty substances make up at most 30% of a balanced diet, while proteins make up 10 to 15% of our energy intake. Healthy food is rich in proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It is not fatty, and its carbohydrate content is not higher than necessary. An essential element of human cells is protein. It can be primarily found in meat, eggs, milk, and dairy products. Furthermore, the following vegetables are rich in protein: beans, peas, and lentils. We can meet our need for carbohydrates with starchy foods, for example cereals and potatoes, as well as by introducing fruit containing sugar to our diet. Products made of whole wheat flour, as well as fruits and vegetables, are rich in fiber. High fiber produce keeps us feeling whole longer. A proper selection of fatty substances is very important to protect our health. 2/3 of the necessary daily amount of fats has to be covered by vegetable oils, while animal fats must cover 1/3. We can reduce our fat intake by eating lean meat and meat products, as well as dairy products. Consuming more fat than necessary may lead to disease. Without fatty substances, fat-soluble vitamins would also be unable to absorb. Eggs, liver, and dairy products contain these vitamins and their precursors. They can also be found in nuts, cereals, and vegetables. Consuming the appropriate amount of water is also essential. We introduce the 2 liters of liquid that we need on a daily basis through beverages and partly through what we eat. The best way to quench one's thirst is to drink pure water. Water-soluble vitamins can be found in fruit, vegetables, legumes, cereals, meat, and dairy products. With a diverse, balanced diet, we can ensure both our vitamin and mineral supply.